This simple morning meditation manifests cash in as little as 23 hours. I know what you're thinking. And yes, this even works during the global pandemic and killer virus rampaging all across the world. But anytime a friend suddenly manifests $3,500 in a single week, you pay attention. Especially when all he did was follow a simple morning meditation that takes just minutes, yet flips a powerful energy switch inside the body that attracts money like crazy. Even better, he didn't spend years in university, never studied the law of attraction, and he's not a meditation guru. In fact, this simple morning meditation created such a drastic positive change in his life, he decided to record a video that reveals exactly what it is and how it works. The best part? If you've been searching for the true inner secret to unlocking abundance in both your life and your bank account, I urge you to watch this video on the next page ASAP. There's a reason it's being shared like crazy online. If you feel like you're ready to upgrade your life and your bank account, click the button below and try this meditation for yourself.